Hi, I'm Chef Greg. For today's tips and tricks, we're going to talk about heating our cheese sauces. I love the versatility of our pouches. They can be heated in a thermalizer or sous vide. They can also be heated in a bain-marie or steam table. The benefit of using a bain-marie or steam table to heat up your sauce is you most likely have one on hand. The consideration for using the steam table or bain-marie is longer heating times, product exposure, and additional labor. A less common way of heating our cheese sauce pouch is in the oven. Please be aware though, you'll be handling a hot product. For heating our number 10 cans, they can be placed directly in a number 10 can dispenser. A benefit for heating our number 10 cans in a dispenser pump is portion control, ease of use. A consideration may be the additional labor when cleaning the unit. A couple additional ways to heat up our cheese sauce in pouches and cans is a portion control heating cabinet and a bottle warmer. I like the small footprint of the bottle warmer. It may take a little longer to heat, but you will have cheese sauce ready to go for multiple applications. For a portion control heating cabinet, simply fill the cups, place them in the cabinet. It will require some labor. We also have a Sierra dispenser that requires specific pouches. If the Sierra dispenser fits your budget and footprint of your establishment, it's another great way to heat our cheese sauces. It has capabilities to heat multiple pouches along with portion control and a 3-day shelf life at temperature for the cheese sauce.